Hello kids, how are you? This is Fayaz. Welcome to my channel, Smart Kids. Today we will be discussing on yet another topic in mathematics. Topic is even numbers, odd numbers, and prime numbers. Usually, kids find it difficult to understand the difference between these three even number, odd, and the prime numbers. Today, I brought about to you some of the tips how you can differentiate each even number, odd, and the prime numbers. So, let's come to the even number first. So any number, if divisible by 2, is even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are some of the examples of even number. As when these numbers get divided by 2, these leaves a remainder 0. Hence, these are even numbers. So let's take some of the random examples so that we understand easily. So for example, 16 when divided by 2 leaves a remainder 0. Hence it is even number. 16 divided by 2 gives us an answer of 8. So henceforth is not it is an even number. So let's take another example. 24 when divided by 2 leaves a remainder 0, as it gives us 12 as a quotient. So if you see this pattern here, if any number, if you see be it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 24, you will find the number as even. Hence you cannot these get, if the last number in any of the double digits or triple digits, if you find the last number as even number, so the whole number will be is an even number. So for example, if I take the example of 48, as 8 is an even number, the total number itself is a even number. So if I take the example of 22, so as 2 is an even number, so henceforth the total number is an even number. So let's take another last example. So we'll take 56 as an example. So 6 is an even number, hence the total number is a even number. Hope you are understanding the even numbers concept. So an even number is something which get divided by 2, leaving the remainder 0. Hence it is called as even number. So moving on to the odd numbers now. When gets divided, leaves a remainder. When it is divided by 2, it leaves a remainder. It cannot be equally divided by 2. It will anyhow leaves a remainder. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9 are some of the examples of it. So when I divide 9 with 2, I will have 1 as a reminder. Hence, this is an even odd number. So, in the same case, if I take any example of, let's say, if I take the example of 25, so when I divide it with 2, it leaves a reminder of 1. Hence, it is it is an odd number. And to be to understand this, the last digit 5 is an even odd number. It is not even number. Hence, we have to say it as odd number. So let's take another example. 21. 21 gets divided with 3, hence, and it doesn't gets divided with 2, hence it is an odd number. Let's take another example, which is 45. 45 does not get equally divided with 2, hence it is an odd number. Moving on to the prime numbers. Prime numbers, which is yet another uh, important topic which usually doesn't gets understood easily. Prime number is something which is not divisible other than 1 and by itself is a prime number. For example, 5, 7, 5, 7, 11 are some of the examples of prime numbers. So to make it short, any number, if you take any number, if it is getting divisible by 2, 3 and 5, those numbers are non-prime numbers. So if I take 45 as an example, so it is divisible by 5, hence it is not a prime number. So if I take 73, so it is not divisible by either 2, 3 and 5, hence it is called a prime number. Again, 17 is another example where it is not divisible by either 2, 3 and 5, hence it is a prime number. If you have to remember uh, how a number is a prime, if any number, if it is not divisible by either 2, 3 or 5, then it will be a prime number. So if you take any number, divide it with either 2, 3 or 5, if it is getting divided, then it will be either even or odd depending on the case. If it is divided, it becomes a prime number. It is as simple as that. So let's move on to the other topics for today. So when we divide, when we add even, so when we add even plus even, what will it happen? Even number, when we add two even numbers, what would be the result? Let's take a look at it. What do we get? So let's take a simple example of 4 plus 6. So I will be getting it as 10 as an answer. Let's take one more. 12 plus 6. I will be getting it as 18 as an answer, which means when even plus even number will lead get me even as an answer. So let's write that this here. Moving on to E odd number plus odd. What do we get? Let's see that. So we have 3, we have 9. Let's take 9 this time. Plus we have 15 as an answer. So what do we get? 24 as an answer. So which means, so let's take one more. 21 plus 25. So what would be the answer? 46 is the answer when I take two odd numbers. So what I get is even. Hope you are able to understand. When I add even plus even, it will give me the even as an answer. When I add odd number with an odd number, I will be getting it as even number as an answer. So let's move on to another one. So this time we will take odd plus even number to understand what would be the resultant of this. So let's take odd number as 9 plus even number is 4. So I will be getting it as 13, which is an even odd number, or for that matter, it is non-even or non-even number. So I would be getting it as odd number. So let's take another example. 5 plus an odd number 6 is equal to, I would be getting 11 as an answer. So which will be an odd itself. So let's take another example. Twenty-one plus 24. What do we get? 45? Yes, we do get 45. So let's take one more. Odd number being 25. Then we will be adding an even number, which will be 31 is equal to an odd number. So technically, out of the even and odd, if I have to add odd plus even, I will be getting odd number as a resultant. So hope you are clear with this concept of even plus even will give us even number, odd plus odd will give us even numbers, and odd plus even will give us odd number. Hope you're clear. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. However, kids, just to let you know, number two is even prime number. It is not a regular number. However, it is even prime number. So you need to remember this. Two is always different in its own self. It is always it is called as even prime number. It's even prime number. In the same way, 1 is neither a prime or composite number. So these two are in differently be treated in mathematics. 1 and 2. 1 being it's neither a prime nor a composite number. 2 Number 2 is neither even, it's called as even prime. It is even as well as prime number. Do let me know if you have any questions. This is Fayaz signing off for today. We will be going through another topic. Do like or share this video with your friends. Or if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.